I think that, getting up in the morning and opening the curtains, and it takes your breath away. We're reminded frequently how lucky we are to live here. We're a reflection of where we are. I think that food needs to drive that home for people. And so it's important for me to stay local and stay regional in what we write into our menus as well. And I think it's important to share with people what's in their backyard. I garden a lot because I find it is it's therapeutic and it gives me hope. But in my mind, it's just this full cycle. And, chefs wouldn't be where they are without farmers and ranchers. It's very easy to go to a store and buy something. But when you have a relationship with the person who put that seed in the ground or, the person who raised that animal, I think a lot more respect comes from that. It's a relationship that you'll have for life. The Chef's Garden at the Chateau Whistler is part of a beautiful banquet space that's on our rooftop. It surrounds the Woodlands Terrace. And up there, we have the opportunity to grow some of our own garnishes, some of our own vegetables, certainly a bit of a pollinator garden as well to home our wild pollinators as well as honeybees. Without pollinators, without bees, without wild and solitary bees, we wouldn't have these things in our produce aisle. We have this brilliant stage to get up on where we put food on a plate every single night, and to do so responsibly and to do so with the acknowledgement of what it takes to get to that plate. We share that with all of our guests who might not know, who might not have the opportunity to have learned that anywhere else. My hope that when you dine at the Chateau Whistler is that you get a taste of the beauty and the landscape that surrounds us. It's wild, ever-changing, seasonal, surprising. It is something different every day. It is watching the change of seasons here that is one of my favorite things to see. So those are incredible parts of the connectivity that we have to nature here. I think in writing a very regional menu that focuses on, the fish that's available potentially in that lake or stream, the berries that have originally grown wild in this location, brings a connection to the landscape that you can't get any other way. And if I'm lucky enough, they'll remember the food, and they'll take away something that they might not have known before. My name is Isabel Chung, Executive Chef of Fairmont Chateau Whistler.